Let's see what are the effects of exercise on our skin, on hair diseases, and as well as on mood. So, we already know that exercise has a beneficial role on our body. It has effect on our heart health. It helps in diseases, heart diseases, and diabetes. So all this we know that with the help of exercise we can improve our muscle tone, as well as we can improve our stamina. But what is the role of exercise on our mood? So when we do exercise, there is release of endorphin, that is a feel good chemical. So we feel happy, and there is decrease in restlessness, sadness, anxiety. So in disorders, in mood disorders, or in psychiatric disorders like anxiety, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or depression, so in all these disorders exercise is advised. Similarly, this exercise also help in improving cognitive function of the brain, that means memory and focus, that is the attention is increased after exercise. So many students are advised to do exercise. Similarly, it helps in improving the quality of sleep, that is we get deep sleep after doing exercise. Then there is role of exercise on fighting our skin diseases and hair diseases. Some chronic diseases like psoriasis, so along with tablets, medicines, patient is advised to have regular exercise, so that there is no relapse of this disease again and again. Similarly, in skin disorders like pimples, acne, melasma, or pigmentation disorders like acanthosis nigricans, patient is advised to do exercise and lose weight along with diet. So why this happens? Suppose in all these conditions there is increase in insulin in our body. The body shows insulin resistance, and all these are metabolic disorders, especially PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease in females. So in addition to medicines, all these are lifestyle diseases, and lifestyle diseases, they are to be handled with the help of diet and exercise. So along with giving prescription to patient, giving medicine to patient, and doing procedures, the patient himself or herself, they have to maintain lifestyle, they have to do certain lifestyle changes, that is they have to do exercise and dietary changes. And third thing is stress reduction. This exercise also helps in reducing the stress. So what are different types of exercise? Any exercise they can take for cardio, that is increasing heart health. We already know walking, running, cycling, all these. In addition to that, for muscle building, any type of weight training can be done, stretching, yoga, pilates, all these are good exercise, and from any age, from children as well as to old age, all of them are advised to exercise. And how it is related to hair health? Hair loss in the form of male pattern hair loss or female pattern hair loss, this is androgen related. So this also comes in lifestyle disease, and to maintain the hair health, to improve the health of the hair follicle, exercise is recommended.